Hello and welcome to today's tapping video. If you do like these videos, do remember, please do hit subscribe. But today I really wanted to work on obstacles to success. We often get in our own way. If there's something you want to succeed at, whatever it is, have a think about what is getting in your way. Is it self-doubt? Is it lack of self-worth? Is it not having the right skills? Just really focus on that obstacle, okay? We're going to help you kind of unpick that at the moment. You might need to do more tapping around this as well. 5 minutes might not cut it, but it will introduce you into just starting to unpick some of this baggage that's keeping you from achieving optimum success. Why not? Why not create this success that you deserve? So notice what's getting in your way. What obstacles are keeping you stuck? Notice what that obstacle might be. And have a think about, what you can do to relieve that. And that's what we're going to work on today, okay? All these obstacles getting in my way, I just want to let them all go. And I choose to tap into my own success now. And I choose to accept me anyway. These obstacles that are just getting in my own way, I deserve all this success. So I'm going to start to let them go today. And I choose to love and accept me now. And maybe anyone else that might be involved. These obstacles that are getting in my way. Maybe I'm getting in my own way. Maybe it's lack of self-belief, lack of self-worth, thinking that I can't achieve this particular dream. I'm going to start to let some of that go today. And instead focusing on what I can do to achieve this success. And I choose to accept me now anyway. And maybe anyone else that might be involved. Okay, just going to go on the points. Just focusing on these obstacles that are getting in my way. They're keeping me stuck. Maybe I'm keeping myself stuck. All these obstacles getting in my way of true success. These things that are keeping me stuck. Focusing on this lack. When I can focus on all that I've achieved so far. These things that are just keeping me stuck. They're getting in my way. They're stopping me from achieving the success that I deserve. Because I know it's there for me. I know that success is waiting for me. It can be around the corner if I really want it to be. But it just feels so at my reach. All these obstacles that are keeping me stuck. Maybe it's my own inner critic. Maybe I'm beating myself up. What if I'm putting things in the way? I'm going to be open to letting some of them go today. I'm going to be open to letting go of these obstacles. Because they're just barriers. They don't need to be there. So I'm just going to imagine smashing through those barriers. Letting all those obstacles go. I can see that success is in sight. I don't need these obstacles holding me back anymore. It's barriers I don't want or need. Maybe they're all self-imposed anyway. If X, Y, or Z can hit this success or these targets, why can't I? I've got as much chance as the next person. I've probably got more than them. So I'm letting go all these self-imposed barriers, smashing through all these obstacles. This lack of self-worth or whatever it is can just go away. Because I choose to focus on that success. I choose to release this obstacle. I choose to let go. Because I deserve this success. I deserve these wins. So why not let this old stuff go? Maybe it's just an old story anyway. Maybe half of it's not even real. So I'm choosing to let go now. Smashing through all these obstacles so I can achieve this success. Achieve this success that I deserve. Focusing on that success now. Don't need these obstacles anymore. They're just getting in my way. So I'm going to let them all go. Feeling lighter and lighter. Seeing this success in sight. I've got this. So I'm going to release and let go any remaining doubt. Fantastic. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Check in with how you feel. You should be lighter. Those obstacles should feel lighter. If anything else came up as well, I want you to write that down. Maybe do some tapping on that with another video. And do let me know how you get on in the comments, before and after numbers and changes, please. I really want to hear how you do. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time.